Hi, I'm Skylar. If you've just rebooted your iPhone and it doesn't seem to be working, you might want to try actually resetting all settings. In order to do that, slide to Unlock and go to Settings. Under Settings, go to General. At the bottom, Reset. Reset all settings will change things like your wallpaper, it'll delete Wi-Fi passwords, it'll delete a whole bunch of things, but not any of your content, just preferences. So you'll have to set up the way you like your location services and things like that for a second time. But it does eliminate cache files and other system files that could have become corrupt and would stop your iPhone from working properly. You can also, if this isn't a possibility, plug it into your computer and use iTunes to restore it from a backup, or just to restore it from the ground up and then sync over your applications again. Those are two potential ways in order to fix the problem. If you are curious about restoring your phone, I recommend watching one of my other videos about the process, and I walk you through it step by step. If you don't feel comfortable doing it on your own, just go to an Apple store and they will happily do it for you, but keep in mind that when they restore your phone, they just erase all the content and reinstall a fresh version of the operating system. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.